Hi, I'm Monica McCarthy with HomeSmart Preferred Realty in Salida, Colorado, and I am here with Steve Chapman of Salida Walking Tours, and he is going to chat with us a little bit about the naming of our town, Buena Vista, Colorado. Some people say BV, and why it's called that, why it's
Right.
mispronounced Spanish word, and kind of the origin of the naming of that town. So thanks for being here. Please enlighten us on this.
All right. Well, like a lot of towns in Colorado, it had a different name originally. Originally, that was
Okay.
Mahanville, named
Mayhem.
for the Mahan family who settled it.
Okay.
But at the time, the railroad stopped in Buena Vista, and you had to take a wagon on to Leadville, which was slow and expensive.
Okay.
The railroad, they would always rename their communities, picking soft-sounding Spanish names. So to entice the railroad to expand, they wanted to rename their town, picking a soft-sounding Spanish name.
Okay.
Now, proper Spanish, it is Buena Vista.
Beautiful view.
We don't call it that. Now, nobody really knows why. There's several stories on why it is Buena instead of Buena.
Okay.
One is the town is populated predominantly by migrants, especially from Germany, and they just couldn't get the "bua" out, and it came out
Okay.
Buena. That's one
Okay.
story.
Okay.
The one that I like more, and none of these, if there's documentation, I've never found it.
Okay.
My favorite is that they had a naming contest, and the winning entry came from an early migrant named Alcina Deerheimer.
Okay.
You got the distillery there.
Okay.
And according to that story, Alcina got artsy with her creation and intentionally picked the beau from beautiful. Now, whether
Oh.
that's an urban myth or not, nobody really knows because there's no recording of it.
Okay.
So if you come to town, it is proper Buena Vista, not Buena Vista.
Mhm.
Say BV for short. It causes a lot less headaches. But if you really want to be local, just call it Beauty.
Beauty. That's another one. Yeah.
Yeah. So we confuse a lot of people out here with the names.
Absolutely. Yeah. It actually took me a few years to adopt the Buna, and I often say
I,
BB.
I just say BV. It's a lot because I forget. And then you get that look like, where are you
Yeah.
from?
Yeah. How long have you been here?
Exactly. So BV. But
BB, for sure. All right. Well, thanks for enlightening us on the story of Buena Vista, Colorado.
yep.
And thanks for watching. I'm Monica McCarthy, and please subscribe to this channel for more information about the Salida Buena Vista area.